Let's have a look what I have bought to sell on eBay. 10 kilo joblot again. Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm Polish Pete and I'm an eBay reseller based in UK. I sell cheap ladies clothing, which I buy in bulk on eBay and then sell them back on eBay. This is what I do for a living. I've got 10 kilogram joblot for you today, again from my trusted supplier on eBay. £44.98 I've paid, so I'm gonna count them at the end, and this is how much it works out per item. Yeah, you may be the judge if it's cheap or not, but I think it's reasonable. Yeah, sizes are 14 to 18, and we may start. First item looks good straight away because I see that Jacques Vert tag, and it's a kind of a longish jacket. To be fair, I have to do the research about the price, but I may go as high as 35 quid. I have to have a look, just have to have a look. I don't get that Jacques Vert very often, so I don't know. Windsmore, a brand that caters for older ladies, another kind of a jacket, definitely not a coat. Yeah, some buttons, probably 8-9 pounds. Jumper by Honor Milburn, which is EWM, size 18 to 20. Yeah, probably around 8-9 quid. Trousers by Principles by Ben Delisi or Delisi, never know how to read that. Size 14, quite a nice pattern and quite annoying plastic tag. There you go, there you go. Probably tenner, maybe a bit more, maybe 11.99. I may try 11.99 and see how it goes for 3-4 months, and then drop it down to tenner if I won't sell it. Yeah, quite nice pattern to be fair. Kind of like it. Yeah. Oh, massive mark on them. Is it a mark? Yeah. Or is it the pattern that flows like that? My God, I don't know. I have to ask my wife. Is that the same on the other side? No, it's not. I think it's a mark. Like going like that. Maybe cup of tea has gone onto them or something. Yeah. Forget about this one. It's going to the wash. And I treat them as like no value whatsoever. Once I wash them, it will be free money basically. When I wash them, I have no time to wash them really, and with outside raining cats and dogs, I can't even dry them. Dorothy Perkins, size 14, workwear trousers, nice one, tenner. A jacket, I don't like jackets. I have a problem with photographing them. I have a problem with packing them, storing them. Precise, petite, no idea. 6-7 quid I would say. The size is 14. Yeah, made in Hungary. A jumper by Bon Marsh, size L, which works out about 18 I would say, maybe 16. Purple, nice one, 8.99 to start with. In the winter, in summer we'll sell for cheap, but in winter I may actually get that. Primark, size 18, just the top, summer top, 5.99 to start with, maybe 6.99 to start with. I used to put them at 4.99, those Primark items, but recently I started to put them at 6.99 for a better items, 5.99 for a bit worse items, and they are selling for that kind of price, so I'm gonna keep them like that. I can always reduce them. Yeah, kind of like a two-piece looking top. There's no label. There is one over here. And it is Marks and Spencer's size 18. Yes, size 18. So tenner to start with. Another jumper, fluffy one with sequins. Oh, it's a cardigan actually, with a button and some shoulder pads as well. What's the brand? I think it's Roman. Yeah, it's Roman Originals, and size is 16. Oh yeah, there you go, Roman Originals. Yeah, 11.99, maybe 12.99. Another jumper, F&F this time, so quite opposite to Roman Originals. Looks like 18 to me, maybe 16, 17. What kind of stupid person I am. 16. Yeah, it's longish, 6.99 definitely. Nice color, pockets, long one. It may be actually dress, like a, yeah, I would say it's how you call it, a jumper dress, sweater dress. Yeah, 6.99, 7.99. Well, if it's a dress, I'll stick it for 9.99 and see what happens. Marks and Spencer dress, nice pattern, kind of abstract one, or maybe a bit animal print, bit zebra, bit leopard, size 14. I'll try 14.99. Trousers, beige in color or cream in color, Bon March, size 16. Cotton one, I'll try 8.99. M&Co, size 14, 6.99, 7. Oh no, it's a dress, so 9.99. Nice polka dot, three-yard dress. Dress again by Monsoon, size 16. Originally, guys, 70 quid. Originally 70 quid, navy in color. I may go for 35 and see what happens. Still with tag, so why not? George dress, kind of a shift dress, flower pattern, size is 16, I believe. Come on, George. There is no size. Oh yeah, 14, 9.99. Another dress. Lots of dresses. That's a good bag actually. Per una, size 16. Long dress, maxi dress. Yeah, may try 20 quid, maybe 25. Damart sweater. It is like a jumper, knitted jumper, but it has like a lace in front. What's the size? 12-14, white in color. If there is no marks, I'll try it for a tenner because it's quite nice. If not, 8 quid. Skirt by white stuff, size, oh no, it's not a skirt, it's actually a dress, size 14. Nice one, massively good bag. I don't know, 20 quid. I have to do the research. I never get things like that. I don't know the prices. Good bag, good bag. It's a Shrook by M&S Woman, so the cheaper side of M&S, size 14. However, it's a nice color. It's a nice color. So I'll try a tenner. There you go. Can't see anything, but hey ho. Another Shrook by Peruna, size 14, like a cropped one. Yeah, there you go. 8 quid maybe. A jumper by M&Co. Nice stripes with kind of a rainbow on top. You may call it a rainbow, it's not really a rainbow, but hey, why not to use the word rainbow? Size 14, 6-7 quid, because it's petite. Bon Marche, size 14 top, just a plain top. I may try it on its own for $5.99. New Look, size 14, another top with like a Brooklyn spell out on it. There you go. 6 quid, 7 quid. Store 22. I think it's George Asda. Like a off shoulder. Is it off shoulder? That's not really off shoulder, maybe. Maybe it is. I'm not really too good on this one. Yeah, nice pattern, nice color, to be fair, with compression thingy thing on the boobs. Can I say boobs on YouTube? Size 18, 100% cotton. Is it George though? No, it's a Grabal Alok UK Ltd. Store 22. I always thought is it G20? Store 21. Is it G21 that is George? I don't know. I don't know. It's a kind of a nice summer top. I'll try 7 quid, 8 quid. Another Shrook. I hate Shrooks. I just absolutely hate Shrooks. Pain in the ass to photograph. Oh, I can't say ass on YouTube, definitely. Yours is a good brand, sells well, decent money. I'll try tenner on it and see how it goes. There you go. Looks like God knows what size on Shrooks. Yeah, 14, 16. I may try a bit less then. I thought it's like a 22, 24. I may try 7, 8 quid. Come on. Pissing me off with those bloody tags. It didn't sell for 2 quid in charity shop. Bon Marche, size 14. T-shirt will definitely sell for 2 quid. I would say it sell for 6. George, another top, quite nice burgundy color. Again, I would say maybe boat neck. The size is 16, I believe. I'm guessing. Size is 14, wrong guess. 6, 7 quid, 6 probably. Another top, size has been removed, but it's got plenty in the inside. It's got plenty of these things. Yeah, but it sticks to the fabric. I don't know what it is, if it's meant to be like that or what. God knows, God knows. You can see them even on the outside, those black dots. You know what, I'm gonna skip it. There is no label anyway, and there is one over here, but it's washed out. It's actually next, size 16. I don't know. I'm gonna declare it and sell it for 6 quid. You have to sell what's unsellable, guys, when you buy in bulk, because it's the money. Papaya, size M. Bloody boblet as bloody hell. Yeah, I'm gonna skip it. Yeah. See you later. I'm not going to debobble papaya that I'm gonna sell for 4 quid. No, no, no. And if it was like underarm debobbling, that would take me 20 seconds. Yeah, then maybe, but not entire bloody thing. FNF, it will probably take me 20 minutes. FNF top, nice, beautiful blue color. Some buttons as well. And it's size 16. Stick it for $6.99 and see what happens. Originals, size 14. Quite nice t-shirt. Quite nice pattern. Definitely there will be somebody who likes it. And I may call it a blouse because there is size 14. I may call it a blouse because there is like a detail on the bottom that makes it not a t-shirt. $6.99. This is very good bag. Peruna, size 16, top, tenner to start with. There you go. This is how it looks like. Nice pattern. Should sell. If not for a tenner, definitely for 8. Come on, you lads. Atmosphere, size 14. Light brown or beige top. $5.99, $6.99 to start with. $5.99 I would say, because it's just a polyester. Nothing special. This is nice. Oh, come on. This is Forever by Michael Gold. I had it before. This brand. It's sold, so I've got no problems with that brand. Top looks nice. Come on, you plastic tag. Top looks nice, like a lacy top with some metallized fiber. Don't know if you can see it, I don't think so. Looks like 14-16 to me. Lined as well. No size. What's it says only L. Yeah, I'll stick it as 14-16. There you go. No skirts in this bundle yet. Size 16, navy blue, buttoned shirt. M&S, tenner. New look, size 16, coral orange or salmon pink, however you want to call this color. Top. There you go. 9 quid, 8 quid. New look. Better than Primark. Love knitwear. I think it's the same as that Love tee. Just a jumper. Size 14. Let's say 7 quid. 6 maybe. Come on. Those tags are bloody nuisance. E-sticks. Cutters for older ladies. I think I've said that before. Nice top with some lace and some shoulder pads. Yeah, there we go. Buttons lined. Nice color as well. Size 16. 8 quid. 9 if I'm lucky. But you know that I'm not lucky. Yeah, we got a first skirt. Size 18. BM collection. Elastic waist. Nice. Is it embroidery? You may call it embroidery. Workwear skirt. 7 quid. And another one. Coast. Size 14. Again, workwear skirt with some embroidery on the bottom. Cost 7-8 quid. F&F just dropped my scissors, thankfully not on my foot. Button shirt with a collar, F&F, pink in color, size 14, 6.99 to start with, and see what happens. And we got another tag to remove. Coast, size 16, black. I think it's a dress. Where is it? No, it's a top. Stupid Polish immigrant. There you go, like a party top. No idea. Let's say 7-8 quid. 7. Ooh, one more. I thought that was the last one, but we've got another one. This one is from Primark, and the size is 12-14, and it's just a t-shirt, so it's going to the bundle pile. So we've got 42 items, plus the one that has gone to the bundle, plus the one that has gone to the wash, plus the one that has gone to the bin. So just above £1, but it was a beautiful bag. I could do with bags like that every day. Nice items, some higher ticket items as well. I think I will sell maximum 3 items, 3 the best items in this bag. Even 2 the best items out of this bag will pay for entire bag. And everything else is bloody gravy. What not to like in this bag? Honestly, one of the best bags I had recently. Yeah. If I haven't shown you the price per item at the beginning, this is the price per item. If I have shown you, I will show you twice. Yeah, very good bag. I'm happy. I will make my money. I will definitely make profit. I will definitely make £200 of this bag in profit for a day of work. Yeah. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please don't forget to click that like button. Also, consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And I'll see you next week with another haul video. That's it for today. Stay safe. Enjoy your day. I'll see you next week. God bless you all. Bye bye.